Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. The Kark Rashifal 2020 horoscope predicts that this year will come with numerous challenges in some months. It is not all the time that you enjoy the good in life. At times you have to go through hard times to make it in life. In the world we live in, there is the negative and the positive. Many are times when the positive outweigh the negative. The tables turn at times when now the negative outweigh the positive. This year Kark Rashi natives will have to go through a lot of challenges and difficulties in some aspects of their lives. The whole of last year was coupled with happy and good times. Brace yourselves for the year 2020 because only the strong will make it. The weak will have to be dragged, for them to reach their potential. 2020 career predictions. Kark people will have a great time in their careers in 2020. This is the year that you will shine at the workplace. Your hard work will be noticed by the people in authority, which in turn will lead to them appreciating you abundantly. The appreciation may come in the form of a promotion, salary increment, or transfer to another department that you have wanted to work in for a long time. Based on the 2020 Rashifal predictions, Karka people will use their talents and skills in other places other than their place of expertise. This will, in turn, enable you to venture into other businesses that may be profitable. The month of August 2020 will see you have the most fabulous time at the workplace. People will look up to you since you are on your way towards achieving your goals and objectives. Kark Rashifal 2020 forecasts for health. As per the Kark 2020 Rashifal predictions, this year your health will give you problems. You have neglected your health in the past, and this time your body is giving up on you. Stop stressing over things that you have no control over. Take care of your physical, emotional and psychological health for better living. Get into a routine of eating a balanced diet and exercising daily. It will cost you to keep yourself healthy. The healthier you are, the more productive you are expected to be. Make appointments with your doctor for regular medical checkups during the Mercury retrograde 2020 dates. 2020 Kark Rashifal finance horoscope. The finance sector this year will disappoint you. Kark natives are known for their spending tendencies. You spend your money aimlessly without thinking about tomorrow. The lashes that 2020 will place on your back will teach you how to save and use your money appropriately. You spend a lot on unimportant things and forget about your expenses and those of your family. As per the 2020 horoscope, it is up to you to take things in your hands and build towards financial prosperity. You earn a good salary, putting it into good use is your problem. A financial advisor will go a long way in helping you with your condition. Except you have money problems and you will get help from the people around you. Family and love. 2020 Kark Rashifal. Your family will experience numerous problems this year. Also, your spouse will not be happy with the way you spend money aimlessly. Your children will also be disappointed in you because you are not a good example for them. The lack of peace and harmony in the family will affect the children, that they will perform dismally in school. As the year progresses, you will realize your mistakes and try to reconcile and bring order to your family. With family squabbles, married couples will not fully enjoy the love they have shared for the past years. But with time the love will come back, with everyone acknowledging their mistakes. You myth also won't be planning to expand your family. The love horoscope for 2020 reveals that singles might want to stay away from relationships this year since they enjoy the peace of mind they have when all alone. Kark Rashi 2020 travel forecast. Traveling is not on your schedule this year in 2020. It is not a good time for you to travel with all the issues you have with your health and finances. A time will come somewhere in November when things will start getting into order. When this time comes, then you will be able to travel up country with your family. The first week of December will only see the Kark Rashifal travel for work purposes. Conclusion. Kark 2020 Rashifal gives you hope that even though the year might not hold much for you, a time will come when things will go back to normal. With determination, patience and hard work, you shall be able to overcome all the challenges in your life.